You guys hear me okay? Yeah! Alright, awesome. Alright, thank you all so much for coming out tonight. Real quick, I just want to give a big shout out and thanks to UCLA for having me here tonight. It's actually my very first time here, so it's an honor to be here tonight to see all the amazing talents that we have here. So I'm just going to perform a few songs for you all tonight. I hope you all enjoy. I believe I saw a few San Diego folks in the house. Where are you guys at? Here it is called, this is the cover of I Have Nothing by Whitney Houston. Share my life, take me for what I am, 'cause I'll never change all my kindness for you. My love, I'll never ask for too much, just all that you are and everything that you do. I really need to look very much further. I don't want to have to go where you don't follow. I want to have you again. There's passion inside. I can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. Don't let me close one more door, 'cause I don't wanna hurt anymore. Standing my arms if you dare. Must I imagine you there? Just look away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys like to see more, do check me out on youtube.com. Just type in Tufang, you'll see me come up. This last song I'm singing is an original of mine. It's called Vigaya. A lot of you may have heard it already, but it's my first time performing it here, so I just wanted to share it with you guys, and I hope you all enjoy it. Let's get so clapped on. 一生，一个有深有故事，一个有的故事。你寂寞一样，我孤城，说我高兴。We at UCLA. Vì có nhớ từ tôi trong đường, vì có nhớ từ lời hàng, vì có nhớ chân cầu cuộc sống, vì có nhớ từ cuộc sống, vì có nhớ từ tôi trong đường, vì có nhớ từ lời hàng. Một ý nữ giống nhau đời có ý rằng vì có nhớ chân cầu cuộc sống, vì có nhớ từ cuộc sống. Người yêu 我孤城。